Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to prepare or make index in Microsoft Word document. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. We want to index in this document. Suppose we are see index in this books. We want to prepare index to my typing document. At first we click Microsoft Word reference tab and find table of content. We click table of content ribbon tab and select one style and at first we selected the topic and click add text and click level 1. We want to anchor in another topic. We also click add text and click level 2. In this same way we select another topic and click add text and click level 1. In this same way we add text and click level 1. In the same way we want to select many topic. Want to select picture in this topic and click add text and click the update table ribbon tab and we see index are prepared. We are see which number of page this content are containing. We are see in this way we prepared index in Microsoft Word document. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.